Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Causes of tubal infertility. Tubal infertility causes include endometriosis, pelvic inflammatory disease, salpingitis, genital tuberculosis. All these causes block and adhesion in the tube leading to infertility. This is tubal infertility. In tubal infertility, treatment is done only if there is bilateral tube blockade. This bilateral blockade of tube can be bilateral proximal block or bilateral distal block or mid-segmental block. So the treatment differs with each of these.
thank you and thank you for watching.